Legends of Learning presents The Rise of Industry game. This is a U.S. history game that makes learning about the growth of industrialization fun and easy to understand.
In a place like this, fortunes are made.
In this informative instructional game, Rise of Industry is an educational city builder and minigame collection set in the Gilded Age. Players grow in Industrial City while experiencing the challenges of factories, railroads, inventions, monopolies, unions, and reforms. Every choice balances profit, worker welfare, and insight, showing how industrialization shaped America. Use the mouse to click on different objects, places, and buttons to complete tasks to help improve the city by helping to grow different industries, to earn more resources, to keep the city growing. Read interesting facts about the growth of industrialization and how it benefits the city. Complete all the levels to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing.